one of the things that a lot of people ask me is, what is the first tool that I should buy for my home DIY, for my workshop, for general maintenance? The first thing I would say to you is buy a cordless drill. These little Bosch ones, the professional GSR range, are brilliant. They're not the cheapest, you can buy cheaper, but this will get you to do most of the things that this one will do in your general woodworking and your house maintenance. The only thing with this one is, this one you can use as a screwdriver, it has torque settings, and you can use it as a drill, but you cannot use this one as a hammer drill. So if you want to put up shelves in masonry walls, this will not do the job. What you need to buy then is something a little bit bigger, a little bit more robust, so like this. This is my Makita that I use a lot on site. This has drill setting, screwdriver setting, sorry, drill setting, and a hammer setting. This will you can use this with masonry bits to drill into masonry, putting up shelves. This is not for like hundreds of masonry holes to drill. This will not do big 15mm upwards holes in masonry. This you can use for putting up shelves, curtain frames and things like that. The odd bit of masonry work, it isn't as powerful, it hasn't got the output to do lots of masonry work, but it does help you out around the house doing a DIY or in your workshop. It has a lot of power on one of these, but there are lots of models of combi drills about, and that would be my first recommendation to you. Just do a little bit of research. If you want to do a bit of masonry, make sure you buy one with a hammer on it. If you want to use it just for woodwork, then think about the Bosch small range or the Makita small range or any other supplier of drills, but combi drill is definitely the first thing to get. And then you want to learn how to use it, which I'll do in the next one.